Valley.
So what's up, y'all? We're back at Red Rocks. And Gabe just thought of the most craziest idea. He's trying to kill us. What was it?
This time we're gonna do 5. So it's a timed waterfall. So five bear crawls down, 3 half sprints up, and it's all timed. There's no break, non-stop. Goal is under 30 minutes each. So
okay, we're gonna try to beat that. And if you guys don't know, the steps are big. Steps are long.
Actually, go show them what it is. Go show them.
So.
I just keep staring at this shit. And
so we did it last weekend. We didn't record it. It was pretty tough, but we were able to do like 5 of them.
And we killed it.
Yeah.
Killed it. Not only did we did 5, but we did the sprints when we weren't even planning sprints. We were we had gas in the tank.
And then I'm just kind of just looking at it today because I'm kind of tired. I'm pretty tired today.
I came off a 12-hour overnight shift. Got off at 7 this morning. It's 10 now. Still no sleep. Saw my daughter, and I still make time for this.
He's crazy, y'all. I don't know how he does it.
Dedication, dedication.
Yeah.
You know why? Because we got results to get.
So I thought this idea wasn't as bad until he just told me how it actually works. And I kind of just think about it a lot more. So we're doing it 5 times total.
5
non-stop. We're calling all the way down, walking halfway up, sprinting back to the top. From there, just go back down. Just with no break.
No break.
No break.
You could get water in between, but it goes against your time. You know what I mean? The time don't stop.
So this is definitely a crazy idea, but it's challenge accepted.
Sounds cleared up. Let's go.
Hyperforce on the
beat.
We're really doing that 5 times. That took a minute for him to just go down to the bottom.
Dude. How does that feel?
It took you a minute and 20 seconds to go all the way down to the bottom.
I don't think it's gonna happen that fast again. Round 2. Let's go.
He's dying.
Go get that tennis ball.
I don't know how I'm gonna do it.
I'm just here for the ball.
This will be hard. He's up. 5 minutes.
I always remember that.
You got 3 more? What time are we at right now? That was only 2. We're at 8 minutes. 8 minutes, 10 seconds just for 2. How'd you get this idea? You went to the bathroom?
Yeah.
Went to the bathroom and
I came out and pretty much said, you know what sucks?
Pissed out greatness.
We piss greatness. We piss excellence. It took the third one, took as long as the first 2 combined.
Oh man.
I can't stop breathing.
Yeah.
This one's.
Oh my god.
So I'm just sitting here, relaxing. When he does these, and just seeing the way it's painful for him, it's making me real nervous. We got 17 seconds, 17 minutes. This is gonna be tough. It's gonna be real tough. This is honestly probably the most toughest exercise, toughest challenge we've ever done here at Red Rocks. Like, for real. I'm here just kicking it. You can see the pain on his face. It's so funny. He's really dying. We got it in 32 minutes. Stop.
32?
32 minutes right here. 32 minutes. So we're here with the Red Rocks support. Just the microphone. Here at the Red Rocks support. Tell us what you think you did.
What I think I did? I can't even tell you. I zoned out after 2. And after that third one, you're like, all right, I only got 2 more to go. Those last 3 took, let me see, what I got the first two in what, like 3 minutes or so a piece?
Yeah.
Up, down, and up. I got the last ones almost 7 minutes a piece. Down and up. So it sucks. This thing pushes you like no other. This workout's probably the hardest one I've done.
Bro, this is, that's what I was just telling him. I was like, this workout is the hardest thing we've probably ever done here at Red Rocks. Hardest ever. And now I gotta get my body warmed up.
Now it's your turn.
It's freezing.
Yeah, I was gonna say warm up.
So, next time we turn this on.
Had a guy, and then he goes, damn, look at that animal. Told you. Every time. It's our animal style.
Only the beast thrive.
Only the beast thrive. That's right.
Okay, so next time now it's gonna be on me. I'm gonna get warmed up.